stars in the vast unknown. Heartaches, my tears I hide as they mingle with the night's cold tide. Oh, mother, the wind whispers low. My worries grow, my heart overflows. Life's sorrows weigh heavy on me, but your love shines bright, sets my soul free. I failed to fulfill my filial duty, while you toiled aging gracefully. Your sleep is restless, your heart is sore, carrying the burdens I can't ignore. Oh, mother, the wind whispers low. My worries grow, my heart overflows. Life's sorrows weigh heavy on me, but your love shines bright, sets my soul free. Though mountains may erode and oceans dry, your love will forever be my guiding light. Through trials and tribulations I'll strive to make you proud and live my life right. Oh, mother, the wind whispers low. My worries grow, my heart overflows. Life's sorrows weigh heavy on me, but your love shines bright, sets my soul free. Though mountains may erode and oceans dry, your love will forever be my guiding light. Through trials and tribulations I'll strive to make you proud